Let's look at how to customize the rest of the header to change things like the logo and menu colors. Coming back to our website tab, from here we can click Customize. Then we can click Header Builder. To change the logo, click Site Title and Logo, either here or here. Then on Change Logo, we can select a file to upload. So I'll choose one here. Once uploaded, select it once more. My logo fits nicely in the recommended crop, so I'll crop image. And if your logo doesn't change on this preview, it's likely because you're using a Retina or high pixel density display. So you can upload a higher resolution version of your logo here, but for now, I'm just going to use this one logo for all devices. And when I toggle that switch, you can see my logo has now populated. We can resize our logo with this slider here. And this looks about right to me. If we scroll down, we can also upload a site icon, also known as a favicon. I'll click that. Then I'll select site icon and I'll upload one more file. Your logo might look nice in a small size for this, but I have a separate file for this specifically. I'll select it and I'll skip cropping here. And once that's uploaded, you can see that it has taken effect in the tab. Our preview enlarged is right here. Now if we go back and we select the header builder, we do have the option to reposition things like the site logo and the primary menu. So I could drag this to the center and you can see how that changes. You can drag it up or down a row, but I don't like how that looks. So I'll leave this here. To change these menu colors, let's scroll down and click Transparent Header and then the Design tab. Then if we scroll down under Menu Color, we can change the text link colors between normal and hover active states. I like the text color as black, but I'm going to make this color match my logo tone. I've copied that hex and I'll add it here. Now the active menu item is going to match the color of my logo. To save these changes, let's click Publish.